This is exactly what you need to do if you want to have a stress-free family vacation this year. And don't be that person that just saves this video and then never goes back to it and scrolls on by. Make sure that you watch to the end and that you actually start to take action. You probably already have 90% of what you need to start your own automated online business. The only thing missing is probably a product, a digital product that is in high demand that you can earn 100% profit on each sale. Did you know that with 1.2 billion social media users every single day, everyone is online looking for something? And did you know that the e-learning industry is one of the fastest growing industries at the moment in 2024? That means that people like you and me and many else out there are looking to learn online. And what are people looking for? Well, they're looking to figure out how they can learn how to earn money online. They're looking how to be educated, and you can help them solve that problem while at the same time earning passive income. You can check out my profile here, follow along and see that I'm real and that this is legit. Or if you are ready, pop ready in the comments below and I'll send you my step-by-step proven process that I'm using that is helping me earn passive income so that you can do the same thing and be wherever it is in the world that you want to be, and just chill and relax and enjoy your day and share your journey and your story with others. I really would absolutely love you to have a holiday destination, a holiday experience with your family that is stress-free, that is fun and enjoyable, where you don't have to worry about finances, where you don't have to worry about time, that you can actually enjoy yourself wherever it is that you want to be. So if you're ready, pop ready in the comments below and I'll send you that step-by-step process for free. See you.